Here's a 2014 Chevrolet Tahoe. Advanced safety features, a refined cabin, and towing capability make this Tahoe the perfect combination of comfort and versatility. It boasts an impressive list of features, like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Chevy, 100 years of icons. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.